please. She's scratching kind of hard. I mean, did you check her?
It wasn't scratching in the car. It was chilling.
Boy, I just got out the shower. I hope you ain't snapping pictures of nobody. Look at
That's why I say I can't keep it.
I look a hot ass mess right now. You snapping.
Man,
What are we gonna do with the damn dog?
I told you.
What you think? Dogs don't scratch like that?
Man, they scratch like that, but
So why you saying the dog got something?
because she ain't my dog, so I don't know what she got.
We found this. My son with his stupid ass found the dog out in the street.
Hey, don't blame
And
me.
now they don't know what to do with the fucking dog.
I said we could take it. Blame her for one. And
Anybody
for two,
want a fucking dog?
and for two, we could take it to
Because
Normandy.
you just throw that little poor little animal out there.
We're gonna take it to Normandy party and let the white people have it.
They won't ignore my phone call.
Smart man.
You don't want the damn dog.
This nigga ignore him.
What are we gonna do with the dog?
I don't know. I'm tired of that.
Well, look.
I probably got
This is your fucking fault. It's your fault.
What?
Alright, and I'm gonna be the solution. We taking the dog to Normandy's party. We're gonna let the white people have it. Let's go.
This is some fucked up shit. This is fucked up. Poor little dog.
Let's go.
Wait a minute, don't take that dog out here like that. You think that dog got a disease?
Ugh.
Do you think the dog, if the dog got a disease, why you putting your hands on the fucking dog?
Because we taking it to the white people. Let's go. Come on.
Don't be that not a dog.
Say bye to the dog.
That's fucked up.
Bye, Garfield.
His name is Mr. Chet. This is sad. This is absolutely sad. This is sad. Honestly.
Get my Sprite.
Get your what? What do you want?
My Sprite. Say bye to the dog.
It's flat.
Say bye to the dog.
See,
I mean, don't just give that dog to anybody. That's a shame.
Mama, they gave the dog away. That's enough.
That's a shame. The bitches.